LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the screws. Put it back in place. Remove the screws. Unplug the cable. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the screws. Remove the cable. Remove the caddy from the hard drive. Remove the screws. Place the screws back in. We will now install the new hard drive. Place the screws back in. Plug the cable back in. Place the screws back in. That's all. You just replaced your laptop hard drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.